All right, guys. So this is our Amazon right here. Beautiful A plus setup going into the open. This is exactly what I look for every morning. So right here, this is my Fab 4. So all this is the previous 45 minutes of price action on the prior day. So today's Friday, this was Thursday. So all of these candles are Thursday. This is the last 45 minutes before the close right here. The highest point is here, and the lowest point of that 45 minutes is here. Inside of this box needs to be your 200 SMA and your 20 SMA. If the highest point, lowest point, 220 are both in this box, then it should look like a rectangle. If it is looking like a square, it is invalid. We don't trade those. Should be looking like a square, just like this. When this happens, all we do is wait on the open to give us direction. If it opens above, then we want longs. If it opens below, then we want shorts. If it opens in the middle, we just need to wait for it to pick a direction. That's it. So right here, we got the open, and we can see that it was in the middle, so we're just waiting to see if we want to drop or we want to continue upward. Right here. Once this happened, this is a powerful elephant bar coming from a flat 200. You can see how the 200 SMA is flat. When you see a flat 200 and a powerful bar hit that 200 or come off of that 200, that is a prime entry event right there in itself. That wasn't the reason we got in, but that's an entry event itself. So after that, I took note that our direction is long. So I was just waiting for a couple of white candles, maybe to pull back like this, while this 20 SMA starts to trend upward. Once that happens, then all I would want is a green candle to directly follow that white candle and take out the high. So that's what I would be looking for. So right here, we got a green candle, great, but I still have no entry. There's nothing to enter on this yet. So then I wait on this one. Okay, we can see that here the 20 is starting to trend in the upward direction as price is starting to pull back a little bit into the 20. So I'm taking note here and I'm thinking if we get a green candle following this red candle and it breaks the high of this could be a continuation move. We didn't get that. We got another white candle, which is fine because it pulled back further into the trending 20. Right? Whenever I see that, I'm immediately taking note. So if we get a green candle that follows this white candle and it takes out this white candle's high here, that's my entry. So I would enter as soon as the next candle breaks this high if it's a green, solid green candle. Boom. That's exactly what we got. So as soon as this candle broke above this high here, that was the entry. And the stop loss went directly underneath this. Okay. We moved right up to this little resistance area, which I knew would probably give us a little bit of trouble. But as long as we don't invalidate this power, this entry event, by falling below it, then I'm fine with holding it, getting a little bit of pullback, and then trying to bounce. As we can see, we got a nice move right past that resistance level. Another white candle here. We can still see that the 20 is trending upward. We're still trending in the upward direction. Stop loss would be around here. So if you wanted to put that there, that's your stop loss. Your entry was here. Third candle. We got some pullback here, but check this out. Look at this 20. Look how the 20 is just carrying price, and you're just getting double hammers right here. This is something I talk about in the PDF. Double hammers like this, very, very powerful in itself. So when I'm seeing this, I'm taking note like, okay, this is holding big time as support, and the original stop loss is not hit. So you can manage this trade a few different ways. By this time, we were already up 70%. So at this point, if you move your stop loss to break even, you're out here. That's fine. You're securing your profit. But if you move your stop loss to the trailing 20, right here, you wouldn't be out until a break of this. And that's not what we got. As you can see, that 20 held beautifully as support when price dipped back into it. And we never made lower lows. Even this technically is not as low as this. So it held this little bullish confirmation trend. Beautiful. So now we can see price is still above this 20 here. So until this breaks and shows real selling pressure, there would be no reason to be out of the trade depending on how you wanted to manage it. This right here, area of resistance, was support. Little flag into this area could cause another little move. But this was all again, this right here was all called out today. This is the server today, so this was at 9:42, the Amazon calls. You can see here I post a picture of when I entered, and that was the entry there. Like I told you guys, the color change. We were up 20%, just giving updates as it goes along. And then once we got up here, we were up 70%. I told everybody, if you want to take some profit, move your stop loss to break even, you're more than welcome at this point. So that was a really good trade so far. And you can see here, we're getting another little bounce right here. That's just how strong this 20 that is trending in that direction really can be. It can hold price, and price can ride it like a floor. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek here. But we're also in these Google longs. Beautiful little downtrend break, consolidation at a key support area, and we got the break of the pre-market high there. That was the entry trigger. We're already up decent on these. Just a little sneak peek on that, what I posted in the server earlier for them guys. But wow, yeah, look at Amazon right near the 20 color change. Possibly if we break this high here and we could take the high again, that's a good move there. But so yeah, just wanted to show you guys that. So that's really it for me.